Good morning everybody. Today is the 4th of April and I'm down here on the allotment. Today it's going to be a decent day, so they've said. So I'm going to hopefully spend the most of the day down here. I'll be vlogging what I do and sharing what I do down here today so that you can all see what I've got up to. And so far this morning I'm watering, let's see. So I'm just watering all my seeds. As like they said, it's going to be a warm day, so hopefully get some of these germinating and growing better. I've got absolutely loads of seeds now. So hopefully this weather will boost it on. We'll see. In this bit I planted sweet peas and some carrots in my raised bed. So hopefully this weather will get them going along as well. Fingers crossed. 2 beds. I planted my potatoes last week, so these are going to be coming on soon. And as they start to grow and pop through, that's when you heap them up, heap the soil around them, so that you get more potatoes. And in this area, I've planted peas. As you can see, I've got the seed packet there which needs to be moved. Yeah. They should start sprouting tomorrow, fingers crossed. If this weather is meant to be like it's meant to be. Yeah, give them a good water. Hopefully get them going. So today's task is going to be about clearing areas, as hopefully it's going to be a scorcher tomorrow, so I want to start painting some of my beds up and making them look better, and obviously treating the wood. And yeah, making everywhere start looking a bit better and like an allotment rather than just a mess. So that's the plan for today, to tidy up a lot of the areas. But we'll see how we get on, and stay tuned and keep watching. So the first area that I'm clearing is this bit, which is in front of my shed and polytunnel. As I'm hoping to get that painted tomorrow at my raised bed. As you can see, the paint is coming off it, so it needs a good another paint and bring it all looking better. So that's tomorrow's job. It's all cleared now, ready for painting these raised beds tomorrow. So the next area, this isn't as bad, this area, so just get this all tidied up, ready to paint those pieces of wood as well tomorrow. Let's get cracking with the next spot. Bob area, and my spare strawberry plant area. Around my trees, so that's all done. Now the next bit is this area. Get this raised bed done, so I want to plant some spring onion in there. I've got to clear all that wood and clear down by those raspberry plants. So yeah, that's going to take me a while, but let's get it done. It's all clear now, ready for me to paint up the raised beds tomorrow and my edging. So yeah, I'm pleased with how it's come on. And look at these. I planted them last year. They've done fantastic. They certainly smell beautiful as well. Just waiting for my tulips to come out, and then it'll look even better. The job is to weed in between these bulbs, just to make them a bit more aerated and stop these weeds from growing, because they seem to be taking over. So yeah. Look at them, they look fantastic. So they're all nicely weeded, looking a bit fresher. Oh yeah. The reason why I planted these were not just to add colour, but to help for the bumblebees, as they're the first things that the bees need when they first wake up in spring. So yeah. Well, that's it for today down on the allotment. I've done absolutely loads. I've been here since 8:30 and it's now 3:30. So it's time to get home and rest those feet and rest my body, because I'm absolutely shattered. So yeah, make sure you tune in for next time for my video blog, and remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. And feel free to check out my website in the link below to see what other stuff I share. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep gardening.